Hello everyone. So how to install David's Dobrik Disposable app. So here's the app, that's the name. You should search for David's Disposable because if you just search for Disposable, it's another kind of photo app. So this is the app. Uh, there you have it. So just tap Get. Confirm with your Touch ID or Face ID. Or just enter Apple ID password. And yeah, I'm doing it in the App Store app. If you're new to iPhone and iOS, and yeah, you will need like to have a Apple ID account. So this is just for people who are new for iPhones. Again, let's just check on the status. And then you will have open. And then here is the app. You just need to give access to a camera and that should work. So there you have it. Hope it was helpful.